Hey everyone, if you want to use NotebookLM with Google Docs in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your Google Docs, analyze content with AI, and get more value from your documents. Using Google Docs with NotebookLM allows you to turn your documents into an AI-powered knowledge base that can answer questions, create summaries, and generate insights. Start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Choose an existing notebook or create a new notebook for your project. Inside your notebook, click Add Source to connect content. Choose Google Docs from the available source options and select the document you want to use. If prompted, grant NotebookLM permission to access your selected Google Docs files. NotebookLM will analyze the contents of your Google Doc and prepare it for AI-powered interactions. Use the chat panel to ask questions and get answers based on your Google Doc. Ask NotebookLM to summarize sections, identify key points, or create study notes from your document. Save useful responses, summaries, and research findings directly inside your notebook. For the best results, keep your Google Docs well organized and use descriptive document titles. A common mistake is adding very large collections of unrelated documents to a single notebook. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use NotebookLM with Google Docs in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.